Now, this comes as more than 1.4 million people filed for unemployment benefits last week. It's the 19th straight week that more than 1 million people have applied. And Alicia Nieves is taking a look into the impact that this is having.
Congress has been unable to agree on a new stimulus package, and now a key feature of the last one, the $600 a week enhanced unemployment benefit, has lapsed.
We definitely anticipate significant increases to the number of families and individuals that will begin to rely on emergency food programs more heavily as a result of the loss of this $600 additional benefit.
Zanita Tisdale was with the Food Bank for New York City. It has provided more than 30 million meals from March to April just in New York. And now, with many on unemployment losing almost 2/3 of their income, there will be an even greater need.
Our network of over 1,000 emergency food providers across 90% of the zip codes here in the city are really bracing themselves and making sure that they're already bringing in enough resources.
A study done by Feeding America shows 1 in 6 Americans could now struggle with hunger. That's 17 million more people since the start of the pandemic.
About 30 or 40% estimated clients that are coming to food banks have never called a food bank before for help.
I think the deeper we get into this economic crisis and also taking into consideration the fact that Congress is essentially late in passing new legislation, the more significant our economic challenges are going to be as a nation.
Mark Hamrick is an economic analyst with Bankrate.com, warning if Congress doesn't act to end the lapse of enhanced benefits, not only will more people go hungry, but our economy will take a more troubling hit.
The deeper we get into this lack of action on the part of elected officials, the more it exacerbates the level of uncertainty that we have. I do believe that both sides will come together.
Currently, the House's idea for a second package, the HEROES Act, was passed in May, but has been mostly ignored by the Senate. It's a $3 trillion plan that proposes extending the $600 benefit in full. Within the past week, Senate Republicans have revealed their own plan, the HEALS Act. It's a $1 trillion deal that reduces the former $600 extra weekly unemployment benefit to just $200. Both sides have to agree on a plan to move forward.
Of course, we want our elected officials to do the right thing, but we're going to be here ready and waiting.
I'm Alicia Nieves reporting.